Welcome to this video where we're going to be taking a deep dive into James Clear's best-selling book, Atomic Habits. This book has been transforming the way people think about habits and how they can be used to improve our lives. In this video, we'll be giving you a comprehensive summary of the key takeaways from the book and how you can apply them to your own life. Atomic Habits is all about understanding how small changes in behavior can lead to significant improvements over time. Clear argues that the key to success is not about big, dramatic changes, but rather small, consistent changes. He calls these small changes atomic habits. Clear explains that there are 4 laws of behavior change. 1. Make it obvious. Habit cues should be made obvious and visible. This means creating cues that are easy to spot and remind you to act on the habit. For example, if you want to start reading more, you can place a book next to your bed as a cue. 2. Make it attractive. Habits should be made attractive and desirable. This means making the habit desirable, interesting, and appealing. For example, if you want to start working out more, you can find a fun and exciting workout class to attend. 3. Make it easy. Habits should be made easy to perform. This means making the habit as easy as possible to start and maintain. For example, if you want to start meditating, you can download an app that guides you through the process. 4. Make it satisfying. Habits should be made satisfying to perform. This means creating rewards that make the habit more enjoyable and motivating. For example, if you want to start writing more, you can set a goal to publish an article and reward yourself with a nice dinner when you achieve it. Clear also talks about the importance of creating a positive habit loop. This is the process of creating a cue, a craving, and a reward for a positive habit. By creating this loop, you can make the habit more automatic and easier to maintain. The cue is the trigger that initiates the behavior, the craving is the desire to act, and the reward is the benefit you receive from the behavior. This loop creates a pattern that becomes ingrained in your mind, making the habit easier to maintain. The book also covers strategies for breaking bad habits, such as creating an implementation intention and designing an environment that makes the habit less accessible. An implementation intention is a simple yet effective technique that involves specifying when and where you will perform a behavior. This makes it more likely that you will follow through on your intentions. And designing an environment that makes the habit less accessible means removing the cues that trigger the habit. Clear also encourages the readers to focus on building systems rather than goals. He states that goals are good for setting direction, but systems are better for making progress. A goal is a specific outcome you want to achieve, while a system is a set of practices you follow consistently. By focusing on the system rather than the goal, you can make progress every day, regardless of the outcome. In addition, the author emphasizes the power of identity-based habits. He argues that we should not just focus on changing our actions but also changing our identity. He suggests that our habits are not just a reflection of our behavior, but also of who we believe ourselves to be. By focusing on the type of person we want to become, we can change our habits and ultimately change our lives. Clear also stresses the importance of being patient and persistent with habit formation. He explains that progress is not always linear and that we should not get discouraged by setbacks. He encourages readers to view setbacks as opportunities to learn and improve. He also suggests using the technique of tiny habits to start small and gradually build up the habit over time. In conclusion, Atomic Habits is a powerful and practical guide to habit formation. Clear provides readers with a step-by-step process for creating and breaking habits, and offers strategies for making progress in any area of life. This book is a must-read for anyone looking to improve their life, and the insights and tips it provides will be valuable for years to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and let us know in the comments what other books you want to see summarized on our channel.